guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a how-to video about this beautiful fishtail braid. For this video, I am partnering with Luxy Hair. Now, I am lucky to have long, thick hair, but I know a lot of women out there would love to have more hair, especially when it comes to creating hairstyles like a fishtail braids or a fishtail bun. Adding a couple of wefts of hair can really help to elevate the look and create those Instagram-worthy braids we all love so much. I am super excited to show you how to create this hairstyle step by step, so let's get started. Before starting off, I spray a good amount of hairspray to make my hair a little bit stiff so it holds the braid much better. Step 1 is gathering all the hair together and put a hair elastic around it. Next, I'm splitting the hair in half. Take a small hair section from one side and cross it over to the other side, adding it to the other half of the hair. Repeat the same step on the other side, adding a small hair section to the other half of the hair. Continue doing this until you run out of hair. The next step is pulling the braid apart. This will make the braid bigger and more obvious. Side note, you can create a fishtail braid with a weft of hair and wear it as a hairband. Now I'm already super happy with my fishtail braid, but I would love to show you how you can make a bun out of it. Wrap the braid around the hair elastic. Secure in place as you go with a bobby pin. I'm gently pulling some hair out on top to create more volume and to give the look some texture. And we're done! A super easy transformation from a basic day look to a classic bun that could be worn to the office or on a date night. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's tutorial, and don't forget to have fun when it comes to creating a hairstyle. Play around with your hair and don't get discouraged if you have short hair or fine hair. As I mentioned earlier in this video, adding the Luxy Hair clip-in extensions can offer the thickness and the length you desire to achieve any hairstyle you want, whether you will wear it up in a bun or just wear it down in a beautiful wavy look. I want to thank you so much for taking your time to be here with me. Don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye!